Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 review. This gaming laptop is straight up cheating. Ever feel like your laptop is fighting against you? Slow boots, laggy gameplay, and fan noise that drowns your focus can wreck productivity and ruin fun. Minutes turn into hours lost, projects stall, and your creativity takes the hit. The worst part? You start blaming yourself, when the real problem is tech that simply can't keep up. Deadlines don't wait, and neither do ranked matches. That sinking feeling of burnout grows when crashes steal your flow and wasted seconds pile up into missed chances. Friends surge ahead, deadlines slip away, and stress builds like a storm. Every outage, freeze, or stutter isn't just an inconvenience. It's a chance lost, unless you have the right machine. Enter the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 2025 edition, a laptop that redefines extreme performance. At its core, the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor with 24 cores unleashes desktop-level power for gaming, streaming, and content creation. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 with 16GB GDDR7 VRAM delivers ray tracing, DLSS AI acceleration, and 240Hz gaming without compromise. Supporting it is a massive 64GB DDR5-5600MHz RAM, ensuring effortless multitasking, even with OBS, Blender, and AAA titles open simultaneously. The dual 1TB NVMe SSDs and RAID 0 provide 2TB of lightning-fast storage, cutting load times to seconds. Its 16.0-inch WQXGA OLED panel brings stunning visuals with 2560 by 1600 resolution, 240Hz refresh rate, HDR True Black 1000, Dolby Vision, and NVIDIA G-SYNC, blending color accuracy with silky smoothness. Cooling is handled by Coldfront vapor chamber technology, keeping performance stable under pressure. Add Dolby Atmos audio, per-key RGB lighting, Windows 11 Pro, and Wi-Fi 7 support, and you have a machine built to dominate work and play. The Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 isn't just a laptop, it's the ultimate equalizer. Tech reviewers hail it as the benchmark for 2025 gaming laptops, citing its blend of raw power and cooling innovation. Influencers rave. It's like gaming on a desktop tower, except it fits in your backpack. Industry analysts note its RTX 5080 GPU achieves performance that even rivals workstation desktops, while esports players love the 240Hz OLED, calling it an unfair advantage in competitive matches. Real-world users echo this praise. One creator said, "I edited an 8K documentary on a flight. No stutters, no crashes, just smooth rendering." Another gamer shared, "My old rig lagged in Cyberpunk. This laptop runs it maxed out with frames to spare." The Coldfront vapor chamber earns constant applause for maintaining cool, quiet sessions during long raids and video exports. Add 2TB RAID 0 storage that eliminates waiting and 64GB DDR5 RAM for unstoppable multitasking. And the Legion Pro 7i proves it isn't just faster, it's liberating. From professionals to hardcore gamers, this machine transforms pressure into performance. Once you experience it, every other laptop feels like a downgrade. Stock is limited, don't wait. Thousands of creators, professionals, and elite gamers already trust the Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 as their all-in-one powerhouse. Every moment without it is more lag, more stress, more wasted time. Don't get left behind while others thrive. Secure yours today and join the legion of users who refuse to compromise. This isn't just a laptop, it's freedom from limits. Grab it now, because your rivals, deadlines, and opportunities won't wait for you.